Every trader knows this feeling. You find the perfect setup. Everything looks right. You pull the trigger and open a position. Then, out of nowhere, price reverses. Your stop loss gets hit, and moments later, the market takes off without you. It feels like a game designed to trap you. But what if you could see these moves coming before they happened? What if you knew when price was likely to break, reverse, or hold? That is exactly what the Rolling ATR Bands Indicator helps with. This indicator helps you see where price is likely to hold, break, or reverse before it happens. It adapts in real time, showing key areas to trade trends, catch breakouts, and spot reversals. The bands are not just static lines on a chart. They change color based on market conditions, making it easy to see who's in control. Green bands mean bullish momentum is strong and buyers are in charge. Red bands signal bearish strength and sellers are in control. When the bands turn neutral, it means the market is undecided. This typically happens before a breakout or reversal, giving traders an early warning that a big move could be coming. To make things even clearer, the indicator also displays key price interactions. When price breaks above or below a band, a label appears showing the breakout. If price retests a band and holds, it marks that level with an R label. These labels help traders spot confirmations instead of guessing whether a move is real or just noise. Now let's break it down with some examples. Imagine price is moving higher, bouncing off the lower band while the bands are green. That is momentum. Instead of guessing when to enter, traders wait for price to pull back towards the lower band and re-enter with retest labels with the trend. Once price reaches the upper band, you can secure some profits. As long as the bands hold, the trend is strong. The moment price closes below the lower band, it's a warning sign. That is how trend traders stay on the right side of the market. Now, imagine this. Price is trending upwards and the bands are bullish. Price reaches the upper band and retests it, giving you an R label. If the bands switch to a bearish color, you could wait for price to retest the upper band again and get a super early entry to a huge reversal. So, no matter how you trade, the rolling ATR bands help you stay ahead. They adjust automatically, working on any market and any time frame. If you want to use them, just search for the Rolling ATR Bands by Flux charts on TradingView. There will also be a link in the description below. That's all for this video. If you found this indicator helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, join our free Discord community where we share trade ideas, host live trading sessions, and share other amazing free indicators. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.